Hey guys, it's Jason start.AVI again. Alright, well, I got the car all back together. Everything's hooked up. Starter's in. Checked all the wiring. Wiring's good. Battery's charged up. We're ready to do a cold start. Alright, here we go. See what this baby's gonna do. This car has not been started for 5 days now. It's been sitting in well, for the most part 0 below weather, but the last couple of days, yesterday it was like 28 above or whatever. And today it's like, I don't know, like 10 or 12, 13 above or something like that. But it's, believe me, the motor's cold. So, alright. A minute, sorry if it's dark. A minute, putting the key in. Here we go. She's running! Yay! Yeah, and of course it doesn't have the exhaust is falling off this thing, but she's running! Alright, let's shut her off and try again. Yeah! It runs! Yay! Fired right up. Sweetness. It's gonna be dark, but I have her on the motor. She's running. Alright. Oops, sorry about that, guys. I covered up the microphone. There we go. She's running. Job well done. Alright, well, that concludes this little video series. Alright, well, please rate, subscribe, and comment, and all that. And until the next video, catch you guys later. Hopefully you enjoyed my first cold start vid. Alright, catch you guys later. Peace.